is a love song for you. Stay down for so long.
Hey you guys, so I'm at the Marriott Grande Vista in Orlando, Florida. And this is a 3-bedroom unit. When you first come in the door, there is a bedroom with 2 full-size beds. Could be queens, but I think they're full size. You get a closet with hangers, and it's a pretty nice size closet. You see you have your fire extinguisher. There's also a full-length mirror, which is nice to have. And a nice size TV. I just drove in. Excuse me if I'm out of breath. Or you catch a glimpse of me in the mirror. But yes, and then you have a full-size bathroom right off of that bedroom. Fan is pretty loud. See if we can turn that off. You get your toiletries, ample towels. Let's see if there's a supply of anything down here. Some more towels, washcloths, plunger. That's nice. Some more toiletries right there, tissue paper, in case you run out, blow dryer in the corner. And then if you come, and this is the front door I came in. So that bedroom is literally right there. So if I come here, these 2 double doors, let's let some more light in here, are your stackable washer and dryer. And they do give you 2 things of Tide detergent, broom and dustpan, laundry basket, and recycling bin. Nice size pantry. I was a little loud. You have a full-size kitchen, fully equipped. I particularly love this dishwasher. Stainless steel appliances, washcloths, hand towels, everything that you could possibly need for a week stay or even longer. Nice coffee pot, toaster. They even give you some Starbucks coffees, some tea, things like that. Very nice. Very clean refrigerator. Very nice with the LED light. And fully stocked. Glasses, wine glasses. Pretty much everything you could possibly need, from bowls, plates, sauce plates, serving dishes, you name it. Then you also have, that's my grandbaby who just came in. My family is just now coming in the door. But that is the full-size kitchen. Stainless steel appliances and fully equipped. There's even baking dishes and everything you could possibly use. And sorry if it just got a little loud, just a little. But look, you even have your dish soap, dishwasher detergent. And they give you nice things like the Cascade and the Palmolive, things like that. Nice, fully furnished living room. This is a sleeper sofa. So you could get 2 people on the sleeper sofa. I believe the TV, if I'm not mistaken, is 60. It's a 60-inch TV. And if you notice, due to COVID, they They've plastic wrapped the remote controls to show you that they have cleaned them. Let's see. So this coming into, I'm kind of speeding it up just a little bit. But coming into this area is the master. Nice size TV. King size bed. You even have a desk. Little work area with some drawers. Nice. Getting some light in here. Jacuzzi tub. Or soaking tub, whichever you prefer. And more towels, more toiletries, double sink. And I know these over here control the bathtub. And then you have a bathroom for this bedroom, obviously, your master. Fan is pretty loud. So let me try to see what I can do about that. Okay, this doesn't appear to be coming on. Towels and a very spacious glass stand-up shower with more toiletries. So it's pretty nice. So which one is mine? You're in the back room. That one? Yeah. Look, it's another balcony with a table. So if you come over here, I can cut the light on and you can come out from the living room area onto the patio. I don't know why I'm pretending like this is right. And there is a ceiling fan. And over here, you have a view of the lake, which I will show you guys when it's much brighter outside. But you can also access this patio from the master bedroom. So it's pretty nice. And there you have the other bedroom, which also has 2 full or 2 queen beds. Another mirror. I'm not going to the bathroom. Nice size TV. And look, another patio. Which will probably be easier for me to show it when it's daylight. Which I will do that. But so far, this is what it is. There's another full bathroom, but my grandbaby's in there, so I'm not going to run in there. Oh, okay. And this is off of the other bedroom. And this bedroom, the second bedroom, like I said, has a patio. And it's a smaller patio than the one I just showed you on the other side where the master is. So very nice. The last one we stayed in was a 2-bedroom. And you were able to access that bedroom, that bathroom from the outside. And there was the main bathroom. But yes. That's it, you guys, and I will show you a little bit of the grounds when it's a little brighter outside and hopefully a better visual of the patio. Hey guys, so brief little update. We had to change rooms. Not because we just had to, but because I wanted a change in view. Because the last time I was here, I really loved the view of the lake. And so, being as cool as Marriott Grande Vista is, they went ahead and updated it. So you can see the layout is the same. The room is just, you know, instead of the kitchen being on that side, it's on that side. But still with the 3rd bedroom and everything. And so now the view is a little different as far as the patio. And I'll take you to that now. You guys, when I say it feels awesome between the ceiling fan and this lake. Hopefully you guys can see it clearly, but I will show a better view during the day. Let's use the notification. Isn't that gorgeous? But I will show a better view during the daytime. But for now, I'm very pleased. They also, interesting fun fact, even though everything is going on with COVID, they have started doing deliveries to the room. When I came in June, they weren't offering deliveries to the room. And of course, this, you can control your entertainment experience using your mobile device by scanning, all of that. And we took advantage of ordering some pizza. Never ordered the food before, but this is the first time. So, I will show you guys the patio in the morning. Good morning. And this is what it looks like on the patio in the morning. Because remember I said I would show you guys that view first thing in the morning. It's beautiful. And what I like best of all, and you guys should definitely request that, is that you are definitely in a great view of the lake by the waterfall, because when you wake up in the morning or when you're going to bed at night, you can open the door and that is what you'll hear. Here goes the boats. You have all of these seating areas surrounding. It's hard to see the pool area, but there's a couple of pool areas on this side. And last night they were on a humongous screen showing football at the bar over there. So I hope this was a detailed enough tour of the room for you. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe, or leave me a comment. And if you would like to see more of these type of resort tours, let me know in the comments. Bye-bye.